AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Collections and Payments. You can perform your payment and collection transactions for your customers, suppliers, or personnel from collection and payment transactions. Since client payments and collections windows are the same, we will only see the collections in this tutorial. For this, click the Client Collection button from the Collections sublist from the Operations list in the Finance Management menu. Make a filtering on the screen that opens and select the client or click the New Client button to create a new client. In the upper part of the window, there's a Shortcuts button where you can see and edit the shortcuts, an Operations button with which you can add files and quickly access some reports and definitions, a Print button where print operations can be performed, an Open Record button that can open the form link if any, a Client Card button that can open the client card, and a Find button to select the client to be processed. You can specify a special code and the name of the transaction from the Custom Code field. And you can use this custom code as a filtering option in any report and list related to the client activities. You can enter the document number manually, or if you leave it blank and save the transaction, it will automatically get a number from the relevant counter. You can choose how the payment or collection you entered in the operation type section is made. You can select a date from the calendar in the due field, or you can set the due by specifying the day and month from the Set Due button. You can select the cash definition you want to register in the Cash Account Selection section. You can specify the payment or collection amount in the Process Amount section. If you want, you can also specify a comment and receipt number for this record. After you have done all your operations, save by pressing the Save button. All these transactions are valid for client payments as well as client collection.